For many, driving can be challenging, but with the right modifications, it can become more accessible. This Kia is specially modified for individuals with lower limb disabilities. The vehicle features a gas ring accelerator integrated around the steering wheel, while retaining the original foot pedal system. Acceleration can be controlled by gently pressing the gas ring with your fingers or by pushing from the opposite side, allowing smooth and comfortable hand-controlled driving. For braking, a right-hand brake lever is integrated beside the steering wheel. Simply pull the lever downward for precise and responsive braking control. The control knob also includes additional functions such as horn control, hill holder brake, and economy mode for added convenience. This modification is designed to provide a safe, comfortable, and accessible driving experience while supporting independent mobility.